My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Topic 5, Homeostasis. Our learning outcome A, analyze the homeostatic control system, focusing on the role of negative feedback mechanism in maintaining internal stability. We are looking at learning activity C. In groups, learners describe how ADH, antidiuretic hormone, works to maintain water balance in the body. Make a write-up and present it in a class plenary. The role of ADH in maintaining water balance, item 1. We are looking at dehydration after prolonged exercise. A student plays football for several hours in hot weather without drinking enough water. He passes a small volume of dark-colored urine. Task: explain why the urine is dark and in small quantity. Describe the role of ADH in this situation. Explain why the urine is dark and in small quantity. The body water content is low. Blood osmotic concentration increases. Kidneys conserve water. Describe how the role of ADH in this situation. ADH secretion increases from the posterior pituitary gland. Antidiuretic hormone increases permeability of the distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. More water is reabsorbed into the blood. Urine becomes concentrated and reduced in volume. Role of ADH in maintaining water balance, item 2. Looking at drinking excess water. After drinking a large amount of water, a student passes frequent dilute urine. Task: explain how ADH secretion changes. Describe the effect on the kidney function. Explain how ADH secretion changes. Blood osmotic concentration decreases. Antidiuretic hormone secretion is reduced. Describe the effect on kidney function. Collecting ducts become less permeable to water. Less water is reabsorbed. Large volume of dilute urine are produced. Role of ADH in maintaining water balance, item 3. Detection of water imbalance. A rise in blood solute concentration occurs. Task: identify the receptors involved. Explain how the information is transmitted. Identify the receptors involved. Osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus. Explain how the information is transmitted. Osmoreceptors detect increased osmotic pressure. Nerve impulses are sent to the posterior pituitary gland. ADH is released into the bloodstream. The role of ADH in maintaining water balance, item 4. Negative feedback mechanism. After water reabsorption increases, blood concentration returns to normal. Task: identify the feedback mechanism involved. Explain its significance. Identify the feedback mechanism involved. Negative feedback. Explain its significance. Restores normal osmotic conditions, prevents excessive water retention or loss, maintains internal stability. Role of ADH in maintaining water balance, item 5. Failure of antidiuretic hormone secretion. A patient produces large volume of dilute urine continuously. Task: name the condition likely responsible. Explain the cause of the symptoms. Name the condition likely responsible. Diabetes insipidus. Explain the cause of the symptoms. Insufficient ADH secretion or kidney insensitivity to ADH, reduced water reabsorption in the kidneys, resulting in excessive water loss. Role of ADH in maintaining water balance, item 6. Summary of ADH action. A teacher asks learners to outline the steps by which ADH maintains water balance. Task: summarize the sequence of events in ADH regulation. Summarize the sequence of events in ADH regulation. Change in blood water concentration occurs. Osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus detect change. Posterior pituitary releases ADH. ADH increases permeability of kidney tubules. Water is reabsorbed into blood. Normal water balance is restored. Marking emphasis. Correctly identify hormone, gland, and target organ. Explain mechanism clearly and sequentially. Describe negative feedback accurately. Apply knowledge to real-life situation. Use correct biological terms: osmosis, permeability, collecting duct. Summary. Antidiuretic hormone maintains water balance by regulating the amount of water reabsorbed in the kidneys. Its secretion is controlled by osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus and operates through negative feedback mechanism to ensure a stable internal environment. Thank you very much for participating in topic 5, homeostasis. Learning outcome A, analyze the homeostatic control system, focusing on the role of negative feedback mechanism in maintaining internal stability. We have been looking at learning activity C. In groups, learners describe how ADH works to maintain water balance in the body. Make a write-up and present it in a class plenary. If it has been useful, please visit me at Mugabi Joshua Biology on YouTube.